Hi, welcome to the vlog. We've got a sort of sit at home vlog today, and I basically want to share with you an app that I've just discovered, which is called Joosup. And basically what it is an app that allows you, if you have a home charger, to basically rent it out, if that's the right word, but to allow others to use your charger with you having full control over when the charge is available, how much you charge. The app allows you to set it up at an hourly rate and so much per kilowatt. What I have noticed with the app is there's very few people actually using it at the moment in the southwest of the country, but it is increasing, which I think is a positive. The further up the country you go, the more there are available, obviously more charges, and costs do start to rise a bit. I openly admit I'm on the app. I'm charging 35 pence a kilowatt. I have a 7.4 kilowatt home charger, the same as most people, and you know it's not going to make you a fortune, but what it is going to do is allow someone else who doesn't have a charger the opportunity to charge. The further you go up the country, I have seen it as high as 60 pence a kilowatt, which, you know, if it's an emergency, then fair enough. But I think 60 pence a kilowatt for a 7 kilowatt home charger isn't the best. Anyway, let's get a screen recording going and show you all about it. The app itself. So we'll go over to the Joosup app. Click on that, and then it brings up your screen, and you can either search where you want to look, the area you're going to, or you can click on view nearest chargers. So in the area where I live, which is St Germans in Cornwall, there's two chargers. If we click on there, you see that's the closest charger to myself, and from there you can see that the hourly rate for the charger is £3.20. The minimum charge session is £3, and it's 43 pence per kilowatt. It shows you the parking, narrow access 2 meters, and the availability, and it's available Monday to Sunday from 6:30 until 2000. Now to book it, you click on book session, and it's a one-time occurrence. You can actually again go whether you want it daily, weekly, or you can customize, but we'll just go for a one-time booking, and then we'll check availability. So it is available today, and we'll say we want to book it from 1700 for an hour today, and we click save, and then you get a choice. So we want to book the session. Your reservation has been submitted and has been approved. Now what you can do from here is when you get to the charger, you where are we? Here we go. So that is pending. Now what happens from now is that the person who is booking or allowing you to use their charger will subsequently either approve or reject the booking. So what we do is we're just waiting for that booking to be approved. And there you go. You can see it's been approved, and for the astute amongst you, you will notice that it is in actual fact my charger that's been booked. And I've done this because we've got the ability to have 2 vehicles charging at one time. So there we go. That's the vehicle booked in to be charged, and all in and done. So on arrival at the charger, you simply plug in and it will start charging. Now, £3.20, and that will be transferred to you immediately. The person starts charging into your PayPal account. So it's an amazingly simple app to use. What do you think? I mean, I'll stick some links below in, and we shall see what you think. So all in all, I think the app's pretty good. It's going to allow people who don't have home charging the ability to charge. The more people that subscribe and use it, the better. If you've got a home charger, you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. You know, you can make a few pounds for basically letting others use your charger. So I'll stick a link for Joosup in the description. But yeah, I think it's brilliant. As you can see, I've basically used 2 phones to show you how to use the app, but you will gain from it. Anyway, if you've enjoyed the video, found it informative, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already, please subscribe, and above all, use the notification bell to contact us and get more information as and when we put out videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.